in front of want to turn right and let them pass. Don't make this one, yeah? Never make this one. We wait, yeah? We follow this, yeah? But we wait, if this disappears, then we can drive, okay? So now you can see no brake, please, no brake, please, no brake. You can see the line is blocked and change. Look inside, outside, indicators, side look. You brake too much. You brake too much. Oh, yes, 50 normally, that's the main road. So, on the lamp, we want to turn right. You can prefer this, and look, you have cars in front of, but the cars are parking. Well, where the cycle is, this car is parking. Yeah? So, and now sequence effect. Look inside mirror, outside mirror, indicator cycle. But you brake too much, you have green. You brake too much, you have green. Yeah, and now you have red. You brake too much by green, no? Drive fluently, no? Drive fluently, change fluently the line, and then you can turn, no?
Yeah.
Stop is not necessary by green. No?
Yeah.
You have green, and you can drive. Now look, we have red, and they have green. And we have green, they have red. Find confidence in a traffic system, please, no?
Yeah.
So if we turn right, then look on the right side now, yeah, and go please, go please. Not move the left. Don't move left the steering, yeah. Now go straight ahead. Both hands here, one hand here, one hand there. And now the next lamp, turn right, please. Then brake a little bit. That's too early. You connect the border. Ja, das Rechtsabbiegen ist